Alright guys, I'm back with another YouTube video. Don't really know how to start this video off, but I'm just gonna be playing some Minecraft. I've already started one up. Yeah. Oh. What the heck? Oh. What is that? Alright. I'm taking care of it. Hello. Why? Oh. Okay. I feel like someone's done something to my game. That's pretty epic. Chestplate and a helmet and some sort of tools. What? Alright. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be a speed run. I'm gonna take some beds to kill the Ender Dragon. Hello. Oh, okay, full set of armor and some arrows. Okay. Nah, something suspicious. Something. I have a bow with 35. Yeah, something's definitely up. Alright. Who's griefed my server? Which one of you guys was it? Was it you? No, you're the priest. Alright. Well, now let's start. Well, I don't really need to go mining. Oh, I'm lost. I have no idea where I'm going. Okay. Well, maybe I should just go mining since I already got full iron. Somehow. Oh, I know how. Someone did something. I don't know what. Open sesame! Oh, no. I thought something would be here. Excuse me. I don't trust anything. No, something's off. Where's your iron golem, actually? I might want some iron from him. Hello. Alright. Just gather some blocks. I don't know how many I need. But, yeah. Hello. Boop! Ah! I messed it up. Oh! Okay, no, I didn't mess it up. This worked better in Dream's video. I don't think I'm ready to actually fight iron golems. Ah! Okay. Stack up. Ah! Yeah, I'm definitely. Why did I spawn over here? What the heck? What happened? That was very uncalled for. Is there a mine up here? Please? No? Okay. Alright, well. After that, attack. Very uncalled for. Very uncalled for. I mean, I guess this is a pretty good start. 4 minutes in, and I've only had 1 death. And it was kind of my fault. That's besides the point, okay? A creeper killed me, that's why. But that's the creeper's help that iron golem when that killed me. I blame it all on the creeper. I mean, he still killed me, but like, that's besides the point. Okay, well, I should probably go to sleep. Then we'll see how fast I can click. I'm so fast at clicking. So, what's that? Why am I whispering? Alright. Well, I don't know if I should go to sleep or what. Beetroots, 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 beetroots. Whoa, don't I? What's that? Set me up. That was a spider. Ow. Where am I going? I'm so lost. I just realized I could have used a shovel to dig faster. So I could escape the, what's this called? Wait a minute. Something seems off. Boy! Boy! Boy, boy, boy! You're right. It's like, ooh, shovel. Hello. Give me, oh, I need to eat. That was 100% uncalled for. He's hacking, I swear. What am I doing? I'm so lost of what I'm doing. That cave looks good. No, not that cave. I don't like that cave. That cave gives me bad vibes because spiders attack me. So I don't like that cave. Dun, 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 dun. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. There you go. Do something like it. Alright, guys. I'm back. Just have to do. I mean, it probably felt like a second for you guys. Oh, it's fine. Alright. I should probably go to bed. Do I have a bed? Yeah, I do. Are you? Oh. Rat! Oh, rat! Yeah, I got him. Easy, no problem. There we go. Finally. Alright. Now, let's get to mining. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh. Let's go. Now I'm looking for a diamond. Diamonds. Diamonds. Oh, I'm being killed. Run! Run! Diamonds! Diamonds! Okay, I need blocks. I need blocks to protect myself. There's so many monsters outside. Oh. How is there slime here? Hold on. Oh snap, he's back to me. Oh, get back, get back, get back. Okay, well, I found diamonds. So far, this is already the best game I've ever played. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Is this game crazy? Excuse me, what? Okay. I don't even know what to say. I have so many diamonds. I have 16! And it's... This is a joke. Nah. Someone's trolling me. Someone's trolling me. Hold up. Someone's trolling me. No. Someone's trolling me. Who's trolling me? Okay. Tell me now who's trolling me. I'm going back up to surface. See if any people are in creative mode. Something suspicious. Hold on. That's weird. That's suspicious. I'm going back up. Mostly to make armor. And, I don't know if there's enough. Actually. I'm a bit confused. I don't know if I should be happy. Well, I should be happy. It's diamonds. But, like, I'm a bit confused. They're kind of... I also want to mention out, why is there red stuff growing on top of the mountains over there? Bit confused. Alright, so already this is the best game I've ever played. I already have 28 diamonds. 24? I don't know. Alright, we'll get one more. Bing. Bing. Full set of diamond armor, my first day, not even 15 minutes in the game? Excuse me, what? Full diamond. First day. This is gonna be a world record speed run. 100%. No way it's not. Alright, well. This was a good video. Already, first day. Best recording I've ever made. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sure, leave a like. Subscribe if you like it. I don't know, you don't have to, but anyways, bye. I'm bored or something. Bye.